Hi, welcome back to my Discovering New Music journey, and today we're going to be checking out some more BTOB. So we're going to be continuing with the list I was kind of sent with, the songs that I was recommended on my Patreon. Definitely really excited. Like I said before, I really liked their killing voice. Their killing voice was really nice. It definitely got me intrigued to check out more of them. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So we got 4 songs in this one, and then we'll be continuing with some other songs in another video later on. But yeah, really excited. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first track we have is called Missing You. Definitely excited to hear what this is going to sound like. Okay. So he's like writing music. I'm guessing he's gonna play it now. Play the piano. Oh, by the way, even though I did watch The Killing Voice, I don't remember like the sound of any of the songs that they did on there. It's been a while. I haven't like listened to it that much, like watched it again. So I've kind of forgot, the sound, the song. So I guess it's, good that I'm watching the actual songs.
It's missing you. 오늘도 하루 보내 다를 게 없이 하나도 안 어색해 혼자 있는 게 너 없이는 될 것 같은 내가 이렇게 살아 근데 좀 여전히 기운나 봐.
Okay, yeah, I'm liking the vibe of this one a lot. I like that piano, like melody that's playing. The beat's pretty nice as well.
후련하게 다 털어내 지난 일에 마음 쓰는 게 alright 답이 잘 보이는가 싶다가 또 어느새 날 가두는 감옥이 돼 시간은 앞으로만 가는 걸 어째 그동안 난 아무것도 이룬 것이 없네
아직도 내 마음속에 너를 그리워하다 하루가 다 지났어 너를 그리워하다 1년이 가버렸어 난 그냥 그렇게 살아 너를 그리워하다
Yeah, I like the melodies a lot in this chorus. It's really nice. Really beautiful harmonies as well.
그렇게 살아 너를 괜찮을 거라 되뇌어봐도
nice guitar there.
또 너로 남아 없이는 될 것 같던 내가 이렇게 살아 사실 좀 허전해 넌 여전히 여기 있나 봐.
I like how they're also singing with like more of like a softer tone for these verses. It's really nice.
아직 너를 원해 2년이 지나도 난 아직 널 그리워해 난 아직 기억해 우리 처음 봤을 때 네 옷차림과 머리 스타일도 다 정확하게 I pray for you every night and day I hope that someday soon I can see you once again
아직도 내 마음속에 너를 그리워하다 하루가 다 지났어 너를 그리워하다 1년이 가버렸어 난 그냥 그렇게 살아 너를 그리워하다 잠에서 깨어 헝클어진
머리처럼 내 일상도 꽤나 엉망이 돼버렸어. 책임져. 아무렇지 않은 척 드리워진 표정도 내 모든 것에 스며든 내 흔적도 다 책임져. 아직도 날 잊을 수 없나 봐. 다시 돌아.
Their acting is actually really good as well. Like I'm noticing that, like watching this, very emotional.
잊을 수 없나 봐. 다시 돌아와줘.
Nice. Ooh, okay. I like how they have them all singing right here. Ooh. Is that a key change? Ooh. That guitar coming in? Nice. Oh, that was beautiful. Yeah. I like this song. 100%. Really nice. Before we go to the next one, yeah, really nice melodies throughout the entire thing. I really love the melody in the chorus. It was a really nice chorus melody. Let me see. Was that a key change towards the end? I need to see. Let me see. That was the beginning. But yeah. I really like the instrument on that one as well. So that was that one. And then the last. Yeah. That was a key change. I like that. I like how they did that. It was nice. 100%. Vocals amazing. Definitely didn't expect anything less. 100%. Especially from like watching their Killing voice, they sounded really good on that. So definitely was expected. But yeah. Really nice melodies. Really nice harmonies throughout that as well. I really love just the way they sung that as well. Like I said, with like the softer tone and definitely emotional. You know, definitely fit with like the whole thing. So I like that 100%. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is called I'll Be Your Man.
Girl, I don't know where you are.
Does that have subtitles? No, that's
You
alright.
can hear my prayer.
I don't really talk about the lyrics anyway. The strings?
속으로만 했던 마음으로 말했던 나의 간절했던 기도를
Okay, we got a little choreo.
나도 모르게 입 밖으로 너를 기도했어. 제발 한 번만 기회를 달라고. 제발 내게 다시 돌아오라고.
Oh, I love how he's singing this part. Wow. That melody right here. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure with everybody's name just yet, but I like the way he's singing this part. I like his voice on this part a lot. Ooh, and how he's kind of ending it with like a little vibrato as well. Really nice.
I'll be your man. 다시 너를 놓지 않을게. 두 번 다시 널 그렇게 둘 순 없어. 제발 내 이름을 불러줘. 또 씻을 수 없는 걸 다시 내 품에 안겨줘. 너는 널 혼자 둘 순 없어. Baby, I just pray.
Always on my mind.
Nice, I like that.
That girl is on my mind 24/7, 365. Dear God, do you hear my cry? Pray for her back every night. Promise you that I'm a better man, won't never let her go, no, not again.
Okay.
제발 내게 다시 돌아오라고.
I really love this part right here. Ooh, nice. That harmony. Wow. Ooh. Oh, I love that sound coming in. I was kind of like empty with just the piano and everything kind of comes in right here. Just like the strings. Kind of filling it out more slowly. Again, really nicely done music video as well. Okay. So I was noticing. So in the Killing Voice that I watched, there was 2 rappers and I think maybe 4 vocalists that they had, but I think I'm noticing a 3rd rapper in this. So I'm not sure if a member left at some point or maybe he wasn't there in the Killing Voice, but I'm noticing there is a 3rd rapper. Their rapping is really good though. I'm liking their flows. Aha. Yeah. That was fire. I love that one. I like that one better than the last one. These songs are good so far. Definitely really good so far. I just love the whole vibe of this one. Just like I said, emotional, like kind of vocals. They do really good with that. They do really good with like displaying emotion through their voices, and the melodies, again, just absolutely amazing. I love the way this one was produced in terms of like the instruments as well. Definitely really nice. And then the music video was very captivating as well. So yeah, I really like this one a lot. In terms of song, I think I'll definitely be listening to this one the most so far, 100%. So yeah, definitely. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is called Beep Beep. Okay. This one definitely seems older, I think. Ooh, okay, very different vibe for this one. Oh, yeah. I'm liking this one so far. Okay. I like how they have the harmonies coming in here and there. Really loving the groove of this beat, 100%. It's kind of giving me like, definitely has more like a hip hop type rhythm to it. Okay.
불면증에 내게 네가 남기고 가서 무창고
I will say, I think I am liking his raps the best. Just like his tone, I really like it a lot.
불면증에 내게 네가 남기고 가서 무창고 맘다운 만드는 사연할게 사실 나서 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도 참 뭐 같으니까 아유 나보고 멀었더라고 고마 방방대라 안 그래도 나 복잡하니까
흔들렸던 네맘 말아 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파나 잠도 안와 난 네가 미워 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나고 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵
Okay.
띠띠빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요
Definitely very catchy melody in the chorus. I like it. Ooh. Okay, let's switch up for the bridge. Oh, nice. The piano. Oh, I love those chords. Those harmonies.
내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채 우리 추억만 채워가 나는
Oh, yeah.
오늘도 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네
Oh, yeah, that was fire. I like how they went back into the last chorus right here.
생각은 오늘도
They brung everything out and dropped it. That was nice.
네 생각에 눈물이 나서 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 헤이 띠띠빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요 베이베
차가 막히네 반쯤 정신 나간 차로 경적만 울려댈 빵빵 내 출발은 기본 고속도로 한가운데 120이라도 벌어볼까 해나 모르겠다 틀테면 쳐봐라 난 그냥 늘었다 미쳐버리는 척이라도 해야 네가 돌아올까 상태가 심각해 근처 왕경다리를 찾아 그래
The choreo looks nice as well.
찌르고 말겠지 오가
I like how they have the little cards right here. Oh, okay. Oh, he's killing it with those notes right here. Oh, that harmony. Nice. Yeah. Oh, I love how they did those ad-libs at the end. Okay. Yeah. I like this one a lot. These songs keep getting better each time, 100%. Like I keep liking the next one better than the last one. Yeah. I really love this one. Really nice vibe. Definitely my vibe in terms of like when it comes to like music just in general. In terms of like what I listen to, definitely 100%. Really like that chorus. It has a really nice kind of like catchy hook and stuff like that. But yeah, just the entire like instrumental and everything, the whole groove of that. It's nice to see them do like, different sound, because I definitely was seeing them do more like kind of like slower kind of sounds, but like to have more like a groovy type sound. I like that they do this as well. 100%. It's nice to have that kind of variety. But yeah, really like this a lot as well. I like the look of the music video. It definitely like I said, it definitely with like the instrumental and like their clothes and everything, the styling definitely give me like hip hop type going on. But this bridge as well, how they did the switch up with the bridge and went for more like a classy type vibe in terms of like the kind of clothes and everything, with the harmonies coming in, the chords. Yeah, and how they brung it back in was nice as well. Yeah, definitely really good. Definitely my favorite so far, 100%. Yeah, definitely gonna be listening to this one a lot. Let's move on to the last one we have, and this one is actually a B-side that was recommended to me, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this one might be the one that I like the most on the other one. But I'm not, let me see, I'm not entirely sure. Like I said, I don't really remember that much from the Killing Voice. Okay, so they have all their names right here. Let me see. So, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yes. Already liking the jazzy vibes, 100%. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. What did I say, bro? I said about these songs getting better each freaking time, bro. 100%. Yo, the dude, the person that sent these songs to me definitely thank you. 100%. Like you definitely picked some really good ones in terms of how so good these songs are.
본능을 깨우는 소리 그 두근거림에 이끌리듯 몹시 자연스럽게 그대와 두 눈이 마주칠 때 그 순간 홀려버렸지 I believe that 첫눈에 반한다는 말
Harmonies. This one is all the way my vibe. This one is all the way my vibe, man. Those chords, that melody. Okay, yeah. I think I'm noticing I'm really liking this guy's voice a lot. Sungjae, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm liking his voice a lot. You know, I like all their voices. 100%. Okay, I like how he said piano on the, you know. Oh, and the guitar came in as well.
Night has come again. Night has come again. And let's dance through all night.
What horn instrument is that? Let me see. I think I was noticing like a I love the slight harmonies like that. It's very subtle, 100%. It's very like kind of quiet, but they're really nice. And there's this nice like horn instrument. Like I said before, I'm not really like good at those types of instruments. I don't know exactly which one that is, but probably a saxophone. He just said saxophone. Ooh, okay. I like his flow right there. That was nice. Yeah. Ooh, how the beat kind of. Okay. Nice. Ooh. Oh, the production on the song is amazing. Absolutely. How they hack everything coming right there with the horns going. I love this beat as well. Love the ad-libs.
이제 사람들이 수군대겠지 어떤 노래보다 역시 jazz 또다시 가슴이 누군데
That guitar? Oh my gosh.
이제 사람들이 수군대겠지 어떤 노래보다 역시 jazz 또다시 가슴이 누군데
Nah, I gotta hear that again. Hold on. What's his name? Unkwang? Oh, he killed the frick out of this. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this is the type of music I like so much. Wow. Again, this is definitely my favorite so far. It's just like every time we moved on to a next song, the next song will become my favorite. But yeah, the Blue Moon is definitely my favorite, 100%. Yeah, wow, these are all really good. I like all of these songs. I would listen to every single last one of these. That last one was amazing. Blue Moon, definitely great recommendation. Definitely my vibe when it comes to music. I love jazzy sounds, and I love songs with, you know, actual instrument sounding, you know, kind of instrumentals, you know, like it doesn't sound too digital. Definitely sounded like actual instruments going, so that was really nice. 100%. Definitely want to see that with a live band now, 100%, because I know they did it on The Killing Voice, but you know, that was just like the instrumental. But definitely kind of want to see that with a live band. I don't know if they've done that, but if they have, you guys can recommend that, and I'll probably check that out over the Patreon or something like that. But yeah, this is good. BTOB is definitely a group that I am more intrigued to check out. I mean, I'm you know, a little past intrigued now. I think I'm a fan. You feel me? I think I'm gonna have to check out definitely way more of their discography. They are very talented, obviously. With both the raps and the singing, I'm definitely getting very impressed by all of them, 100%. And they blend so well, you know, the raps and the singing. They do so good with like kind of hitting different sounds and being able to pull it off so well. And I really like that 100%. Just love their voices overall as well. The singers in general have really nice voices. So that's another thing that, you know, kind of carries the song for me, because, you know, I like a lot of different various kind of music genres, you know, so it really depends on the voice that I'm hearing in the song. If the voices that I'm hearing in the songs are really good, then I'll most likely like the song, right? So yeah, definitely really nice. Definitely looking forward to check out some more BTOB, 100%. I'm gonna be listening to Blue Moon a lot. I'm definitely gonna be listening to Beep Beep. I think definitely for like more of a slower vibe, I'll definitely listen to Missing You and I'll Be Your Man, especially I'll Be Your Man. That one is really good as well, 100%. But yeah, and their production is fire as well. I don't know if any of the members kind of you know, participate in production or writing the lyrics, but they do good. You know, their team or them, you know, whoever does it definitely does good with that as well. So yeah, definitely really like BTOB. 100% going to check out some more. We definitely have some more videos coming up by them. I think I'm also going to be reacting to A God. I think that was also recommended to me, so that'll be probably the next video. And then also some more of the songs as well. So yeah, 100%. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.